Hello and welcome to Top Echelon Network Training. In this training, we are going to learn how to create an alert for hot job orders in Top Echelon Network. First, let's define an alert. Basically, an alert is a search that runs every day that notifies you of matches to your search criteria. In this case, we are creating a search alert for job orders. The advantage of having one or many alerts is to allow you to keep your pulse on the relevant information that comes into the Top Echelon system daily, leading you towards a split placement and great trading partner relationships. Now, let's create the alert. First, we need to go to the Split Jobs tab and select Search. As far as criteria and information to put into the search, the more simple the search, the better. If you add too much information to the search criteria, you may miss some gems of data that could very well be paths to placements. So here are the basic ABC 1, 2, 3s of creating a productive, simple search. Number one is the search name, which is the only required field in a search or alert. This should be used as a placeholder or an identifier for that search. Next, number two, add a few keywords or a simple Boolean string. These pieces in the Boolean string or keywords are going to represent that information that you might find in the job order itself. The next is the major discipline codes. The discipline codes are a great thing to use when running alerts or searches, as they are a required field for any piece of data entering into the Top Echelon Split databases. Select which is appropriate for you and save. You may ask yourself, but what about location? Don't limit yourself to a particular region of the country because that is where you are located. You never know when or where your candidates may desire relocation or where your reach as a recruiter can extend. Once you have entered the criteria and you feel that this will give you the results you want, move to the bottom of the page to the Hot Job Alerts section and check the Email Results Daily button. Now, up to the top right, run search. Let's review the search results. Since we have just run the alert for the first time, we are viewing all of the records in the Split database that are matches to the criteria in our search. You can see here, this is one of 391. But let's look at our result view options. The options are located at the bottom left of the screen. This is the record view. If we want to pan to the next view, we can just up here at the top right, hit next, and it will take us to the next record in line of the results. The next view is the split view. Here we have the main record on the right, and the list of the job orders on the left. The next is the abstract view. This is basically giving us a Reader's Digest version of the search results. And the last is the single line view. You may have to experiment with the view options so that you can find which perspective of viewing data is best for what you are trying to accomplish. As you review the results, if you are not satisfied with the results, you can always come up to the top right and modify the search, alter the search criteria until you feel the results are representing your needs. When you review this data, look for the members' names over here on the far right, as they are repeated through the results. These are your trading partners. Pick up the phone and start dialogue with these recruiters. If they are sharing 1, 2, 3, or more job orders in this area that you requested information, most likely they work what you do and you need to be talking to them. You do not want to miss an opportunity to build a new relationship with other Top Echelon Network members. Now, remember, this system will run the alert at night. If there are any matches, you will receive an email from the alerts at topechelon.com. Simply click the link, and it will take you to the Alerts Management section. Select the alert, and you will be viewing the results. On the 10 menu, on the left-hand side, you will see the Alert Center. When they are highlighted in red, the alerts have hits. Be sure to check this area daily when you log into your Top Echelon Network account. If you have any further questions about any parts of the software, make sure to go up to the top right in your account to the Help Center. Simply type in the topic, and the Help Center will provide you with either videos or documents to help you with your question.